Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 8th video in Python 3 programming basics. In the previous video we have learned how you can get user input in Python programming language. In this video I'm going to talk about while loop. So what is while loop? A while loop statement in Python programming language repeatedly executes a target statement as long as a given condition is true. So let me show you an example and you will know that what I mean. So let me create first a count variable. I'm going to make it 1. Now I'm going to create a while loop. So while count is less than 9, if this is the case, we are going to print the count, and we need to increment the count. So count plus 1, okay, like this. And so what I mean in here I'm writing that while our condition is true, so we have count less than 9, so it will go from 1. It will goes from 1 up to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this scenario, the condition is true. By this reason, it will write print count. But after that, if it become 9, the condition become false, and the statement will be out of loop. So in that scenario, I'm going to print condition is false. Okay, now let me run this. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in here the condition is true. We have said in here while count is less than 9, print our count and increment the count. But when the condition becomes false, go out of loop and write this print condition is false. So in this section the condition is true, and when the condition becomes false, write condition is false. So this is the simple explanation of a while loop. Also you can use break statement. So break and continue. With the break statement we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. So let me show you an example. In here I'm going to write if count is 3, I want to break the loop, and let me run it. You can see we have 1, 2, 3. After this the condition becomes false, even though in here we have count less than 9, but because we have used break, and in the explanation of break we have said that with the break statement we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. And also you can use continue. So with the continue statement we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next. So let me show you an example. Let me remove this. I have a while count is less than 9, first increment the count, and if count is equal to 3 we are going to continue, and after that we print the count. So now let me run it, and you can see we have from 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel and also like the videos.